This is a segment sponsored by Anu Aesthetics and Optimal Wellness. Now this week we've introduced you to a special event Anu Aesthetics is hosting. Now this Saturday, the third annual retreat for breast cancer survivors and fighters will take place. It's a mini wellness retreat that will give survivors a moment to renew their minds, bodies, and souls. Let's meet one woman championing the cause.
My background in women's health focuses primarily on holistic medicine. So basically what that means is when a woman has a problem, a symptom that she doesn't understand, I go through and test hormones, I look at different nutritional levels, I analyze her lifestyle, and just try to figure out how we make the female body work better. So in conventional medical training, that is basically non-existent. So making a female's life easier by understanding how her body works is not a part of medical school. So I've spent my life studying how to test that and how to treat it and make life better for women. I initially wanted to pursue it to treat fertility. I thought that I wanted to help women have kids, and what I found in studying that was how wildly complex a woman's body is and how many things that can go wrong with it. And so what I found was that I would try to help someone get pregnant and they would refer 5 of their friends who had thyroid problems and neurologic problems and all of these other things, and I found that the whole experience of being a female in the medical system is just really hard, and I liked helping them. When women are experiencing things like insomnia, weight gain, depression, anxiety, changes in their cycle, I usually start with testing and I figure out what's going on with their hormones, but I ask a lot of questions about how they're living, what they're doing, what other symptoms they're having, and I look for clues trying to understand what's going on with their body, because most of the time there are some very basic changes that we can make. First analyzing why the problem is happening, and then using herbs, vitamins, dietary changes, lifestyle changes to help the body work better. So the event that's happening this weekend is focusing on people who have lived through breast cancer and are trying to learn how to deal with the fallout of some of the treatments that they've experienced. And so, you know, for me, even though I'm not a cancer expert, I do understand what's happening to women when their estrogen is very low after they've gone through cancer treatment. I understand that they're experiencing depression and anxiety and insomnia and thinning skin and aches and pains, and how can I help them deal with those experiences if they can't use estrogen replacement? In this setting, really, all I bring to the event is just I'm a person that understands what they're going through. And so I'll do some yoga with them, I'll do some relaxing acupuncture, I'll give them some hugs, and Kristen will talk to them about their health. That's the really fun part of my job, just to do a really feel-good, easy thing, help somebody meditate and relax and feel supported because they've gone through a lot. And they don't get any of that through their conventional treatment. So it's a nice experience for me to be that for people.
The third annual retreat for breast cancer survivors and fighters is this Saturday from 9 to 3 p.m. Visit thislittlelight.com/event to register. This is a segment sponsored by Anu Aesthetics and Optimal Wellness. Next, meet